How to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pippin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Now if you are confused after the latest update on how you can deactivate your Facebook account since the options were moved, so if you are confused, let me guide you through this video. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook. Right, once you open up your Facebook application, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is at the home page, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, here you'll get into this options. Now here what you want to do is you can either tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen that you can see beside the search icon, or the second way is scroll all the way down below, tap on settings and privacy, and from there tap on settings. Once on settings, what you want to do is you want to tap on the option meta that says account center. Now you might get this at the very top or you might get this at the very bottom depending on your account. You want to simply tap on account center option under meta, and here you can see various options. Right under account settings, you can see the second option that says personal details. You want to head into that option. Once you head into there, you can see account ownership and control. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on account ownership and control, here you can see the second option, deactivation or deletion. Simply tap on deactivation or deletion option here, and you can see you'll get to choose your account that you want to delete, either your Instagram or your Facebook. You want to simply tap on Facebook option, and here you can see two different options. Since you want to deactivate your account, simply select the deactivate account and simply tap on continue. It'll ask you for password and prompt you through a few steps that you'll have to go through, and you'll be able to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. So this way you can deactivate your Facebook account temporarily after the latest update. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.